5-speed. DTA 360. Juice brakes. Well, living room, we're going to be ripping these seats out because the wife doesn't like them. No seat belts. Back here we got just toilet. Again, likely going to be redoing that to turn it into a one-piece toilet, shower, and sink combo. Back in here, we got the garage. Again, there's space right there. As you can see right here, has a little closet nook area. Washrooms over there, so we can potentially move this probably 14 inches back. The toilet area if need be. From the back of that rear door all the way to the first wall, 17 feet. To that one, I haven't measured, but I'd guess a little over 18 feet. It does slope down, does have a dovetail. Currently has a 3,500 pound winch mounted to the roof. Some lighting on either side. Likely going to replace those with LEDs. And then the chairs up front are going to be replaced with these 2 chairs from an old Dodge camper van. They lay down to turn into a bed, face forward for highway driving with 3 seat belts on each bench, so it can fit 6 passengers plus myself, the driver, so 7 total. And they even flip around to make a dinette. So that's more than perfect. And yeah, that's the bus. There is a generator at the side here that I'm likely going to upgrade to a more powerful diesel generator that will run off the main gas tank. So you can see right here, gasoline generator. That plug right there plugs in and it will start powering everything in the bus. There's the little gas tank to fill it up. Has battery, starter switch. Test that out, all works. I didn't get the generator going because the gas tank's empty. But yeah. Should be a decent little crawler hauler for my little Suzukis.